Did you like the explanation of how to trade support and resistance in a downtrend? In this video, I will show you a powerful strategy you can apply using the same principles in an uptrend, so you can be prepared for the next bull market. For this example, we are going to use the euro-dollar pair in forex, daily time frame, and Japanese candles. As we mentioned in the previous videos, first we will look for the highs and the lows. We go to the left bar here and select brush. Here we have a low, another low, another high, a group of highs, a high, a low, another low, and another low, and more highs. And we can see clearly that the lows never close below the previous low. And the highs always close higher than the previous high. You can check that all around here. That way is how the uptrend is formed. Let's delete this and draw the supports and resistances. These lows are around the same price level, so we draw the support here. We extend it to the left and adjust it from the bodies that form the low to the lowest wick. And let's do the same with the resistance. From the bodies to the wick. Here we can see several touches and rejections of the support and resistance until it finally breaks above the resistance and retests the same price level, making it now a support. Here we have a fake out, as it seems that it is going to break back below the support but immediately goes upwards again. In this area, where the candles move inside the support zone, we wouldn't place any trade and we would wait until it leaves the zone. This is the movement that confirms the uptrend. In this area, we just wait for confirmation and not rush into a trade. Now, let's continue drawing. Here we have another high. In this case, it takes some time to break above the resistance. Then we see the retest of the resistance, making it a support. In this case, the zone could become larger if we extend it until the next high. Or if we stay within the original zone, we will find another fake out. If we extend it to the right, we can see there is another touch and rejection of the support. Here we have the high, then the resistance is broken, retest to become support, and this is another touch of the support. We can see clearly that the break of the resistance is not a fake out, and then we have the retest, as well as here. In this week, we can see that there is a rejection, and that would indicate that this is a great entry for a long trade. That is confirmed with this market structure break and the continuation of the higher highs and higher lows. Here we can see a new resistance and how, again, is broken and retested. It touches the previous resistance, reacts, and continues with the uptrend. And that's how we trade a forex pair with pure price action. Drawing support and resistance in an uptrend. Here you can see it more clearly. We will enter long on the touches and rejections of the support zones as we are in an uptrend. Those are very good probability trades. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more educational content and trading strategies. And see you on the next video.